Okay, part number 2. And it's flying.
Oh my god! That is creepy. Oh, it went back to the window.
That didn't work.
Oh. It was hot. It was like,
Hey, Coco. Hey, baby Coco could eat it.
Ew. She eats bugs though.
My cats eat bugs. It's gross. Hi.
I don't know how to catch it. How would I catch it? I don't know.
So Leanna's gonna have a moth living in her room now.
I think I did kill it. Look, it's just standing there doing nothing. Look. Where?
Oh.
Ah. I was laughing and just slide in your face.
I want to poke it.
Poke it. I would pack up.
It's not moving. I'm getting freaked out.